Today is day 18 for my Bonne Maman advent calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 18.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
Here's door number 18. It's on the right-hand side of the calendar, right in the middle. The door says live in the moment. And we have pineapple ginger spread. Sounds really good. Let's taste this. I haven't had this one before. Oh my gosh. The first thing I think of is pineapple upside down cake. That's what this tastes like. So good. This is a purple sweet potato that I have peeled and sliced, and I cut the slices in half, and I put them in this small ceramic, it's almost like a little tart pan, but it fits this one sweet potato perfectly. And I am going to roast this sweet potato in my Dash mini toaster oven because I love baked sweet potatoes with pineapple. And I've never had one of these purple sweet potatoes before. I purchased these a week or two ago and they've been sitting in my refrigerator. And I thought this would be a really good opportunity for me to use this and try it with the pineapple ginger fruit spread. I think the pineapple ginger fruit spread would go really well with the sweet potato. So because I will be baking this in the Dash mini toaster oven, I have to cover this with foil. Anything that I try to bake that I don't cover in foil automatically burns. So that's one of the tips when using this small appliance. So here's my Dash mini toaster oven. I have not turned it on or preheated it. I'm just putting my sweet potatoes inside of it. And let's set it for 15 minutes. I think this is probably going to take around 45 minutes. I could be wrong. I think it's going to take 3 cycles of 15 minutes each, but I will check it after 15 minutes and then I'll check it after 30 minutes and we'll see when it's done. It's been 15 minutes and these potatoes are nowhere near done. They're still really hard. So I put them back in, set this for another 15 minutes. I'll check them again after 45 minutes. They're going to take a while to cook. It's been 45 minutes, so let's see what's going on in here. So here are the purple sweet potatoes. I see a bunch of steam coming up. Oh, and they're soft. They're nice and soft. Okay, this is good. Yep, they're all soft. So I want to make like a glaze for them. Here's my pineapple ginger spread with a little bit of butter. I'm going to put this in the toaster oven and melt the butter and create a glaze. So while the butter is melting, I want to taste a piece of sweet potato plain because I've never had these before. Just looking for like a little piece. Okay, they taste pretty much like a regular sweet potato. If my eyes were closed, I don't think I would know that they were purple. Here's the butter and the fruit spread. I just want to mix these together. It makes it a little more pourable, so I can just pour these onto the sweet potatoes. I poured the glaze onto the sweet potatoes and tried to mix them up a little bit so that the glaze seeped down to the lower layers. I probably could have melted the butter with the fruit spread and then mixed the raw sweet potato into it, and then just put the whole thing into this little baking dish. That might have been an easier way of going about doing this, but I think it's fine. So now let's taste the sweet potato with the pineapple ginger glaze. That is so good. Pineapples and sweet potatoes are such a great combination. I'm very happy with that, and this would make a really nice side dish. And if I didn't know these were sweet potatoes just by looking at them, I would think that they were beets. They're pretty much the same color as roasted beets. This is also good with some chopped nuts, like some chopped pecans sprinkled over the top of it. I've had that for Thanksgiving as a side dish. It's really good. And so that is what I did with the fruit spread in my Bonne Maman advent calendar today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with the fruit spreads in this Bonne Maman advent calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. I just finished all the sweet potatoes and they were crazy good. They were like one of the best things that I've eaten out of this calendar so far.